Did you know that tens of thousands of people die every single year from a sickness or an illness that has no known cure? Did you know that we have not even tested 5% of all the plants on this earth for disease curing properties? Well, now you do. This is an important topic for us to understand because we need to realize that plants in nature were our original medicine cabinet. Most medicines we have today were actually derived from some sort of plant. My name is Elizabeth Laskoski, and ever since I was a little girl, I have always loved living things, whether it be plants, animals, pets, insects, other humans. I have always had a special place in my heart for breathing things. Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of plants, the importance of biodiversity in plants, and the importance of ecosystems and why we should protect ecosystems in forests. As I was saying, most medications were derived from plants. On the USDA website, it actually states that more than 40% of today's medications behind the counter were originally derived from some sort of plant. Humans have been using plants for medicinal purposes since at least 3500 BC in Egypt. Many scientists believe and agree that we have been using them for probably much longer than that. A common disease is malaria and is actually treated from a South American tree called the cinchona tree, and it completely cures malaria. Even the soothing properties of a cough drop come from a licorice root in Asia. Imagine all of the possibilities. Imagine the number of possible cures we have yet to discover. Not only have plants helped us make medicine, but they have also kept our planet healthy and thriving. Many species rely on plants to survive. This means bugs, animals, other plants, microorganisms, fungi, and humans all rely on plants to survive. If a plant species is not able to survive for whatever reason, then it's likely to have a trickle-down effect on the entire ecosystem. Many other living organisms would not be able to sustain themselves if one plant was to die. For example, many plants provide food for small bugs or creatures, and these creatures provide food for bigger animals. Plants also act as an air filter. They filter pollution out of the air, and it keeps it clean, and it makes it easier for us to breathe. Now this brings me to biodiversity. Although plants are needed for many species to survive, it is important that each ecosystem is still unique and diverse as it started. Too many of one plant can cause issues and throw off the entire ecosystem. Too many of one kind of bug can kill off a plant that was necessary for multiple organisms to survive. If you want specific details, Woodland Trust is a very good reference to go to. It's just woodlandtrust.org. But all in all, I do want everyone to take away a little bit more knowledge on the importance and the why behind protecting our ecosystems, and the environment in its original state is important. Plants have a useful to humans and all forms of life since we have recorded proof of. They have been used to heal us from diseases. They have been used to reduce our symptoms. They help filter the air we breathe. They keep our ecosystems healthy and so much more. It's important to remember that every plant has a purpose in its ecosystem, and we should be very aware of biodiversity and its importance in maintaining a healthy environment. I challenge every one of you to be more aware of your surroundings. Whether it be a little spider in your bathroom or a weird bush in your backyard growing, keep in mind that everything does have a purpose, and think before you interfere. Can you imagine the possibilities and the difference we could all make if we were just a little bit more aware of our surroundings? Thank you.